The common question a lot of new creators ask is, can we create an AI video for YouTube and TikTok using a mobile phone because we don't have a computer? If you are someone who is facing this issue, this is the only video you want to watch. In this video, I'm going to create AI videos for a YouTube channel only using a mobile phone with the help of one AI tool. Before we go into the step-by-step tutorial, let me show you a sample video I created for my new YouTube channel using my phone.
Have you ever felt like you're running in place, working hard but never really getting ahead? You wake up, scroll mindlessly, procrastinate, and wonder why nothing changes. The truth? You're trapped in your own habits. Think of your life as a train. Either you're the conductor, choosing the direction, or you're just a passenger, going wherever the tracks take you. Unstoppable people don't wait for motivation. They create momentum. They set non-negotiable goals. Eliminate.
My new channel is about anime motivation shorts. I'm going to show you exactly how I created that video with my phone. You can apply this same method to any of your niches. First, you need to download ChatGPT to your phone because we are going to make the video script through ChatGPT. For that, you can use this specific prompt I've created just for this niche. All you need to do is change the topic of your video. Within several seconds, you will get an amazing script for your video. And guys, you can get all of the prompts that I'm using in this video from the description. The next step is to make voiceovers for this script. I'm going to use 11 Labs for that. You can just simply go to this app and select a suitable voice for this video and paste your script like this and then generate the voice. Then you can easily download the voice file to your device. The next step is to make visuals for this script. For this process, I'm going to use mobile-friendly AI tool. The tool I'm going to use today is called Vivago AI. This is a next-level AI tool that you can use to generate videos from text and images. Not only that, but you can enhance your videos with this tool. I'm going to use their mobile version to make videos. You can get both mobile and PC versions from the links in the description. Once you download this app to your phone, simply sign up and you will come to this dashboard. Now, using this AI tool, you can do a lot of things. Let's talk about those later. Now, we are here to create visuals for our video script. So let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create prompts to generate scenes for our video script. For that, I have used this specific prompt to make 15 scenes. As you can see here, we have highly detailed prompts to generate scenes for our video. Let's copy these one by one and generate video clips using Vivago AI. First, you need to click this star icon. Suppose you plan to use images instead of AI videos. You can use this anime image feature. With this feature, you can either convert your existing images to anime, or you can create completely new images with a text prompt. I'm going to select this text to image feature. Let's paste our prompt to this. If you want, you can improve this prompt using this magic prompt feature. After that, select the generate button. It will take several seconds and generate your image. Just like this, you can generate images for all the scenes in your script. It's really simple. When it comes to making videos instead of images, you need to select this text to video feature. Just like before, all you need to do is copy the prompt of the scenes that we just created using ChatGPT and generate scenes. The process might take up to 2 minutes, so here are some clips I generated. So just like this, you can create videos for all of the scenes. It's not that complicated, just copying and pasting. Now let's put together all the things to create the final video. For that, click this new project feature and select the downloaded video clips that you generate. Let's select this first video, then select this voiceover feature and add the voiceover that we created. Then all you need to do is click this plus icon and add other video clips to this in the correct order. It's not that complicated at all. After that, if you go to this effects feature, you can add some cool effects. It's completely up to you. After everything is completed, you can select this and add captions to this video. It can generate captions automatically. This process is really simple. After that, click this icon to export the final video. Just like this, you can create videos for your YouTube channel with this tool within a few minutes. You don't need to have a computer or a laptop to do this. This is really simple.
Have you ever felt like you're running in place, working hard but never really getting ahead? You wake up, scroll mindlessly, procrastinate, and wonder why nothing changes. The truth? You're trapped in your own habits. Think of your life as a train. Either you're the conductor, choosing the direction, or you're just a passenger, going wherever the tracks take you. Unstoppable people don't wait for motivation. They create momentum. They set non-negotiable goals, eliminate distractions like toxic people and endless scrolling, and build discipline like a muscle. Imagine if you treated every day like a championship game. would you still waste hours on excuses? Success isn't about luck, it's about systems. So ask yourself, are your daily habits pushing you forward or holding you back? It's time to rewrite your story. Start today, take control, move with purpose, and become unstoppable.
If you're planning to use Vivago AI, you can use it both on your computer and phone with the same account. You can get their basic plan for just $6 and the Plus plan for just $20. Let me show you some of the cool features that they have on their PC version. The first feature is this image enhancement tool, where you can upload your low-quality images and increase their quality. You can upscale the image up to 4 times. My next favorite feature is this image repaint tool, where you can add elements to your images. What you need to do is select the area of this image using this brush tool, then enter what you need to add in this prompt box, and it will generate that specific element in that selected area. This is really helpful when it comes to AI image creation. Then, you can use this magic eraser tool to remove anything from your images. The process is similar to before. All you need to do is select the area you want to erase and click this erase button. It's really helpful. Another feature is the magic expand tool. Using this, you can expand your images. As an example, I'm going to expand this image by adding more background area to this. All you need to do is increase this bar and click this generate button. It will automatically expand the background area of this image. This video enhancement tool is similar to image enhancement. You can increase the quality of your videos to 4K resolution. With this magic brush feature, you can animate your images easily. You can brush the area you want to animate like this, and select this motion track option and select the direction you want it to move. You can create a separate brush and select another part of this image and set the direction. Just like this, you can simply animate the images with this feature. This tool has various AI video templates like these, where you can upload your image and convert them into funny clips. Another crazy feature that this tool has is the text to 3D model feature. I haven't seen this feature in any other tools. So if you want to make 3D objects for your videos or other projects, this tool can do that as well. All you need to do is type the object you want. Another cool feature that this tool has is this character creation feature. With this, you can generate an AI character with any attributes you want. As an example, I'm going to type a prompt like this: a young man sitting near a computer table, facing camera, hands on the table, and you can select these characteristics like age, eye color, hairstyle, costume, and emotions. And this will help you to generate characters without any struggle. You can use these AI avatars for your videos. And they have this special Vivago Creative Talent Plan, where you can join their Creative Talent Hub and do amazing things with AI. If you are an AI enthusiast, you can join this and win cash and credit prices. I will leave the link in the description. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this video was a good help for those who would like to make videos using their phone. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I wish you the best of luck, guys. I will see you in the next video.